What's this? Oh, sweet, got a package. I don't know what it is. Oh, yes! It's from the boys at T.I.Performance. I've been waiting for this. Let's see what it is. So, it's nothing too crazy exciting, but, you know, pretty cool nevertheless. It's a genuine exhaust gas oxygen sensor. So O2 sensor for the exhaust. Look, it'll just help my car run a lot better. So I've been keen to install a brand new one. So that's all it is. My one's probably the original one that came with the car, 27, nearly 28 years old. So we'll install this baby. So it's a pretty easy install. Just got to first unplug the old one from here, unscrew it from, or for me, extractors down there, or if you don't have extractors, it'll just be the end of your cat. Let's push this thing down and pull and wiggle and pull till it's off. So the thing isn't moving, so I'm going to give it a spray with WD-40 and let it settle in and hopefully it'll break free. So even after all that WD-40 spray, still struggling, so I have to resort to a bit of leverage. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take, I got no love for the fakeness. If you want to play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take, I got no love for the fakeness. If you want to play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take, I got no love for the fakeness. If you want to play tough and want to hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Old one, new one. Done. Just make sure the wire's placed so it's not leaning up against the exhaust, and should be good. Alright, let's start it up and see if it's improved anything, or at least still starts. That'd be good. Starts, it idles so far, so that's good. Smell as much either. It smells heaps better already. Could that even happen? Or is it just a placebo? Oh, it smells a lot better. Sweet. What's the running so rich now? May have fixed my little running rich problem. Use less petrol as well, so very happy. Alright, let's take for a quick spin, see how she goes. Well, I reckon it definitely runs a little bit smoother. No issues there. I reckon it's maybe even running a bit smoother. Definitely doesn't smell like as much the exhaust, so that's good. So it's not so running so rich, so that'll save me some money on petrol. Be a lot more fuel efficient. And yeah, so I don't know. Get yourself oxygen sensor if you think your car's running a little bit rough or a bit rich or stinking a bit. That's one of the first things to do. back home now. Seem to be pretty good. Still seems to be a bit of rev hang just there, or just it almost dies and then it picks up again. So I think that I was hoping that might fix it, the O2 centers, but I'm pretty sure it's the idle speed controller. I think I've got to clean that out, and so that might be the next video. That's something I need to do. So stick around for the next one. So coming back in the garage, it definitely helped a bit with the smell. So if your car's exhaust stinks, one, try some BP Ultimate, because it's got the least amount of sulfur in it. So if your car is running a bit rich, it won't smell quite as much. And then O2 sensor, chuck that in too. Get your car running well, running right, not running so rich, and doesn't stink up the garage as much. So there you go. Still need a new cat. That'll help a little bit more again. And yeah, I'll fix the idle speed controller just for that little bit of rev hang, or that almost after revving it or coming to a set of lights or something, and it sort of almost feels like it's going to stall before it picks up again. So I think that's the idle speed controller. So we'll do that, and yeah, car be running as good as new. As for the old O2 sensor, in the bin. Now this video wasn't sponsored by T.I.Performance or anything. I just bought it from those guys. They're really good. They help out. But if you guys are watching T.I.Performance, I'm happy to be sponsored, and if you want to throw me a few free parts, I'll definitely install them and show them on my videos. But yeah, that's all for now. Comment below, tell me what you want me to do. Some people have asked me to clean it, do a video on cleaning out the throttle body. I'll do the idle speed controller too, coming up. I've got to get some brakes on the way, so I'll have to install them. I'm thinking about, I was going to have a crack at just changing my my transmission fluid myself. I might just take it to the guys at DTM Automatics in Geelong. Yeah, and get that fixed. Just get it serviced to flush and see what they think. It just runs a little bit rough. Oh no, it runs all right until I've been driving for more than about 30 minutes. Just the gear change from first to second is just quite harsh. It sort of slaps it in. Which is funny because when it's cool, or even up to half an hour, maybe 35-40 minutes, it'll start running just first to second. Really changes rough. But other than that, it seems fine. But yeah, I haven't serviced it for a while, so it definitely needs a new transmission fluid and just maybe a clean out and a check, and hopefully it's all good. I wouldn't mind getting a shift kit or getting them to maybe adjust it. I think they can potentially adjust it a little bit. Or Shift Kits Australia sell a kit that you can turn it completely off or on, or stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, like have it manually controlled, or and 3 different stages of shift harshness and how quick it shifts. So that would be pretty cool to do, because I have been tempted to convert this to manual. But sort of before I do that, I wouldn't mind just a shift kit, because I kind of want to keep it stock. So I'm sort of, toing and froing there. But anyway, I'm actually going to start reviewing some people's cars. So I've already been in contact with a couple of people. A guy with an ED with a Barra Turbo in it, and another guy with an EF with a Barra Turbo. So hoping to do a video with those guys in the next few weeks or so. That'd be awesome if we can get together and do that. That'll be some cool new content for the channel. So yeah, stick around. All right, see ya.